Everybody takes breaks, but what exactly do we really consider as a break? Is it a period of time when we sit idle and do nothing, catch the latest workplace gossip, or brainstorm our next big idea? The concept of breaks has evolved over the years with civilization. Around the industrial age, breaks became an official practice as office jobs became popular. At the time, breaks simply meant taking time from work to catch the latest gossip. It was common for workers to gather together and chat as they refuel themselves with a cup of coffee. The Germans even had a name for it, Kaffeeklatsch, roughly translated as gossip over cups of coffee. This workplace culture was encouraged because it inspired communication between employees, and the habit is still being practiced today. However, it has evolved. It's not just about having a big break in the middle of the day, but incorporating consistent breaks throughout the working day. From the productivity standpoint, this is great as the brain gets to recover and therefore people can stay productive for much longer. But our lives are becoming increasingly demanding, and while some people prefer to scroll through social media apps while they are having a break, others try to use their breaks to keep up with ever-growing workloads. I'm personally not a big fan of just having a break and doing nothing because I feel that I'm wasting my time. But I also know that if I want to stay productive, I have to rest my brain consistently. Many people say they can't maintain focus on tasks for an extended period of time, and one thing that I discovered was that there is something else we can do apart from taking a break. In the fast-paced world we are living in today, our brain has gotten used to change, and it often craves it when we're working on our daily tasks. So instead of just having a break, I sometimes work on one task for a set period of time and then move to another task. This transition gives my brain a needed change and peace of mind for me because I feel good for staying productive. It works even better if you can create your daily structure in a way that after intense mental activities, you follow up with non-mental activities. For example, I could start my day with writing an article for 90 minutes. Then I could do stretching 5 to 10 minutes before getting back for another writing session and finishing the article. I like to break up my day with activities like gym, cooking, cleaning, or meditation. This helps me to refresh my brain, but in the meantime, accomplish something useful. If I feel really exhausted, I might take a quick 25-minute nap or go for a walk to get some fresh air. We all know that having a refreshing break is good because we know how it feels when our energy is high and our focus is sharp because we can get through tasks quickly and efficiently. But it all comes down to how you structure your day, as that will determine if you'll be able to have those productive breaks and complete your daily tasks. It does take a bit of time at the beginning of the day to draft out a plan, but I can assure you that it will be well worth it. And I know that it often feels that we don't have enough time and we want to jump straight into the action. But that is called reactiveness. And by being reactive, you will jump from one priority to another until you are out of your mental energy, and having a break will be the last thing you want to think about. The problem is that once you have pushed yourself for an extended period of time and depleted your mental energy, a quick 10-minute break will not be able to fix it. You will likely feel drained for the rest of the day and be prone to engage in more unproductive activities. The one thing that can help you is structure. By developing structure in your life, you will gain clarity about where you are moving and what steps you need to take every day in order to accomplish your goals. If you want to learn more about how I build my daily and weekly structure, then you can check out my productivity framework. It's a free template that you can download, and it comes with a training video that explains how to properly use it. I can't stress this enough, but your week represents your life. And if you write down everything that you do in your week and look at it, then you'll be able to see where your life is heading. Breaks are an important component of productivity, as long as we are thoughtful about how we use them. Just trying to do more during our breaks will not likely make you more productive, but instead exhaust your mental energy. And doing nothing during your breaks will make you feel that you are wasting your time, and that will affect your morale. In my opinion, it's important to utilize breaks to maximize our productivity by planning in advance. So, Go ahead and grab your free template to build a solid structure in your life and accomplish your goals and dreams. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.